couple of things you're asking about there. One is the whole shift, and the the best thing I can say about that actually is uh, I wrote this book. It's called Bluff: The Day AI Called Humanity's Hand, uh, and it addresses a lot of those concerns. Uh, what is what are we going to do as this shift occurs? Because the fact is that AI is not coming for your job. It's coming for tasks that you do within your job. And if you think about it that way and you think, okay, so AI can do this particular task better than I can do it, then how can I leverage it so that I can actually uh, make AI a part of our lives? Because uh, in a couple of years, AI is not going to be seen as a a separate technology. It's going to be built into absolutely every technology that we have. It's clearly already becoming infrastructure, and it's going to continue to be that way. We're going to get a new appliance, and AI is going to be built into that appliance. We're not going to say, uh, it's kind of like electricity. Electricity is now infrastructure. We don't say, "Oh, I need to learn electricity." What do you mean by I need to learn electricity? To learn circuit diagrams and wiring of my house, or simply that I can go over and flip on a light switch and the light goes on? You don't need to learn it. It's built into everything we do, and AI is becoming that same kind of infrastructure. So it's going to take over tasks within jobs. And as a result of that, all of those jobs are going to definitely shift. And humans are pretty adaptable. We may not have buggy whip manufacturers anymore, but the fact is there's still some leather workers out there that do really good jobs. So they've had to shift.